Hey guys, this is Neha. I'm a Carnatic violin teacher, and in this video I'll be showing how to fix the violin string. I'll be showing how to fix a G string. So when you take any string, you notice that at one end of the string it looks like a ball. So this portion comes near the tail piece. So you notice that there is an attachment near the tail piece just like this. So you want to insert the ball inside the attachment firmly in place so it won't move when you're fixing the string. So insert it just like this so it won't move, and place the string on the groove of the bridge. And once you do that, take the string towards the other side, and you notice that there is a hole in the peg. So that is where the other side of the string will go inside the hole of the peg. Now once you have pushed the string inside the peg, and you can see a little bit of a portion of a string sticking out just like this. You want only a little bit of a portion of a string to stick out. That's how much you must push the string. Start rotating it in the anti-clockwise direction. Now when your string starts to rotate, as you rotate your peg in the anti-clockwise direction, that's when you know that you have done it right. So once you start rotating the strings in the anti-clockwise direction, you want the rotations to stay towards one side, and you don't want it to overlap with the other strings. So when it overlaps with the other strings, when you start fixing a string or when you start tuning the string, because of the overlap, it will start to fall down in tune, and you'll spend your time forever fixing the violin string, and you don't want to do that. Now you notice that there is a groove on top of the fingerboard, so that is why you have to place each of the string after you finish fixing it. Now don't tighten the string just yet. You want to set it loosely just like this, because we haven't set the tune of the violin string yet. You don't want to tighten it at the initial stage, because the string can break if you apply too much of tension. So you have to be gentle when you're rotating the string. Just keep it as loose as possible. After you finish fixing all the 4 strings, this is how it should look. There is no overlap with each other, and now it is like set loose, because in the next video I'm going to show how to tune the Carnatic violin. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down in the video below, or you can reach out to me at www.violintutor.academy. Click on the description link below for more details. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Follow my channel for more notifications. Leave a like, share my video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.